My relationship with my father was, as I said before, was ambivalent, and in many ways difficult, even though he was my life's hero. But it's difficult to grow up in the shadow of someone else, which is what was happening. He overshadowed all of us.
Yes, this is correct. Yes. There was much of him. There was so much of him. The whole house was him. I mean, it was all about him. And she was there to sort of say ditto. You know, it was that although she was very much her own person, but he just took over everything.
He always used to say that she was the smartest one in
She
the
was
family.
very smart, Mama.
Huh?
She was very smart.
She was.
But
He
she
may have
was
been right that
multilingual.
Yeah.
She read voraciously. She never stopped reading.
Yeah.
She was extremely intelligent. But she was also, I think, quite depressed. Certainly when you left as a child, she was very depressed.
Oh. Certainly when?
When you left, after you left.
After I left.
Although I don't remember before you left, because I was too young. But then in my early life, she was very depressed. And that sitting on the radiator is a big memory that I have. The house was dark and it was quiet, and, you know, that was... And so when my father came home from work, I mean, this was like all the lights went on. The door opened, the air came in, the life came into the house. My father was life. He was passionate. I mean, I had my difficulties later on, but he was a passionate, very passionate person. And he lived so fully.